how you will do the Anulom Vilom. Now, make a chin mudra with your left palm. Tip of the thumb, tip of the index finger. This is your chin mudra. Put at your left knee. And with your right palm, just make an Asagra Vishnu mudra. Now, turn your index finger and middle finger to the palm, and last two fingers and thumb should be standing and put at your nose. Now in Anulom Vilom, first close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your last two fingers. Exhale through your right nostril. Again, inhale through your right. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Exhale through your left. This is your one round of Anulom Vilom. Now please continue with your 10 round of Anulom Vilom to get best results. Thank you.